If you've asked 10 customers for a review and got 2, your customers probably aren't the problem. The link is. Most people send their rare Google listing. The customer lands on a page full of photos and directions and has to find the review button on their own. Today, I'm showing you where Google keeps the direct link, the one that opens the review box immediately, plus the QR code that sits right underneath it. All of it is inside your Google Business profile, and it takes about 2 minutes. I'm going to show you how to use your Google Business profile to reshare a review link. First, sign into the Google account that you used. To create the Google Business profile, type your email in here, and then type your password and click Next. Now, you are signed in to the relevant Google account, then just search your business name in Google. Your own management panel appears at the top of the results. Now, click the Read Reviews button here. Next, click Get More Reviews here. You will get a screen like this. You get 4 ways to send it. There's a button for email, one for WhatsApp, and one for Facebook. Click whichever one your customers actually use, and it opens the app with the link already in the message. Or ignore all 3 and just copy the link from this box here. That's what I do because once you have it copied, you can drop it anywhere. A text message, your invoice template, your email signature. Now scroll down because this is the part most people miss. Google has already made you a QR code. You don't need to go and generate one. Right-click on the QR code here and click the Save Image As option. And you've got a file you can print. One thing to remember, each business location has its own review link and QR code, so make sure you use the correct one for each location. Once you have the link, put it where customers will see it, on receipts, thank you emails, chat messages, or a QR code at your business. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, hit like and subscribe to Digifix for more simple Google and marketing tips. Check out the other Google videos on our channel with links in the description. Thanks for watching.